Hey, what's going on, guys? What is going on? What is going on out there? This is Rob with RLS Digital, bringing networking to you, showing you how you can make money online. And, like I told you guys before, I've been doing research for years on how to make money online. I looking through YouTube and all the things I was coming across. It was like survey sites, things that you have to do a whole lot of work to make 1 cent here, 3 cents here, 5 cent there, 10 cent there. You have to do like 1,000 tasks to even see a few dollars. So I didn't even present those things to you guys because I feel like that would be disingenuous and unfair. Um, No pun against those that believe in doing those things, but me personally, I believe in making good amount of money with minimum effort and minimum time. That's what the majority of us are looking for. So the website is RLS dot United Investors dot group. When you go to that site, you'll see there are several ways to make money online, 4 different ways. You could get in all four of them at one time, like I did. To compound the money, compound your income. It's life changing income, and on that site as well, guys. You will also see our Facebook group that you could join into, and that Facebook group is not for posting your business links in there. It's more of a group where we share testimonials, we share um like pretty much what we made for that day, or how much we're getting achieved because of making this extra money here. I seen a great story where someone need the money and they was able to buy furniture for their house, um, which was amazing because there's a lot of people out there they will never tell you, but they're working a 9 to 5, but there's not enough money for them, and that's the majority of people. So with this, it allows an extra way for you guys to make extra money. Now, those that have a lot of money or extra disposable income, this would be great for you as well because you can make even more. You can start small and grow it. And trust me, it doesn't take long to grow. We have some opportunities that we can make income and increase it quickly. Then we have some that's more of a long-term strategic with it, rather. So that's a great website. Definitely check that out. Definitely check out the Facebook group. Um, Great people, awesome people in that group. Um, they have information on these sites. They have information on how to expand different ideas that you could use to help grow your business. Because let's be honest, 9 to 5 is not enough. Most of us are working a job that we literally hate to go to. Most of us are working a job that don't really pay enough money for us to live the lifestyle that we want. And let's be honest, to live a lifestyle we want, work is nowhere in the equation. No one wants to really go to work. Let's just be honest with that. You know, this is a way you can make that extra income and leave your job. And that's what many of us are doing. So once again, I'll also post this website link in the description. The website is RLS dot United Investors dot group. So I'm just ran me a quick errand, coming back with this pizza, and We're about to enjoy this evening. And once again, rls.unitedinvestors.group. So check out the website, guys. This right here is life changing income. Um, and who's to say? Who told you that the 9 to 5 is all you were meant to do? That's the meaning of this life. That's how I look at it. And then once you start making extra money outside of the job, it's not that you get an attitude, you get a better standard about yourself and about the way of living. You don't have to put up with things on the job. Once you realize your potential of making income, once a job realizes you don't need them, they will treat you accordingly. They'll treat you a whole lot better. So they feel like you need them and you're desperate, they will treat you any kind of way. That's just how it goes. And I'm speaking from personal experience. Um, so once again, guys, rls.unitedinvestors.group. I will catch you guys later, and hopefully you guys get in and check out this website and change your lives. All right, later.